Okay, so I've done today's trade and I've done two trades. I staked $150, so I've made 14.95. It's just trade for the week, so let's go and check this week. You can see I'm expected to be making like $31 or $30 or so that's like 17,000. So I'm going to enter the value for this here, which will be more of like 14.8. I think it's 8.5 or something. Okay, so that will be times 2. Okay, so that means I made 29.7, and I traded 10 index. So I traded volatility 10 index. All I can do is look for the one I've had before. It was a good signal too. The two signals were wonderful, so it's a good signal. Okay, so I trade. It was good signals. It's a bit outside my main signal. Okay, it's a bit outside it. It was approaching, so I got good signals while it was approaching it. So it's outside my main signal. So that means today I've made $29, and every day for the remaining of this week I'm expected to be making like $30. Did I get this right? Oh, it's 9.5, not 8.5. Okay, it's 9.5. That's why I didn't get it right. I knew it was supposed to be close to $30. Okay, so that's like roughly, let's say $30. So I've made $30. I'm going to make $30 for the next 4 days, and after then we are good to go. So guys, this is how easy it is. Once I've done this, for me to know to always have my startup, I always like seeing my startup so that I get to see my progress. What's new? Okay, use your preferred payment method for ads and others. Edit, update, inactive. Okay, maybe they've corrected this thing. Wait, before I update you people, I hope I will be able to use it. I will not be able to use it except I update. So let me pause and update. Okay, this is awesome. I'm seeing some changes. I use this guy every day, so they just updated it today. So I use it every day, so this is an update. It's nice. I just installed the update, and I'm seeing you'll be amazed what you're seeing here. Okay, they've added payment method, meaning we can add our bank details. Okay, Airtel, bank transfer, Carbon. Look at all the options of payment, pay stack. Meaning it's being made a lot easier for all of us. So let me try and see if I can cover this, making a new order. Okay, because I'm supposed to. Some of your ads contains payment method. Take it easy for people to pay. Please add payment method to all ads. All these ads are they are old ones, okay, as at yesterday. So they've changed it. I'm seeing that they've changed it. So it's an upgrade. It's allowed. So here I'm only supposed to withdraw like 35.67. So leaving 150, and my rate is 571. Okay, this is nice. It gives me instantly what I'm going to get up here. Look at it here. It instantly shows me the actual value I'm going to get. Minimum order is the same amount. I'm not I like selling it one time. So we have 35.67. okay, so then I have here, I'm selling. Okay, now I understand. Okay, see the payment method, you may choose up to 3. So instead of me, before, I think I have the bank details posted somewhere here before now. So now you can add a payment method. I like this. So it means they will be able to confirm. They will be able to confirm the payment. So let me use bank transfer. So you can see. Wow, this is nice. Okay, just a minute. Let me try and get. In fact, let me use probably my normal bank. 3951. Okay. Now they said name is required. I like this one now. Okay, that they've made it a lot easier. Branch is branch required. Sorry, my internet is acting up. This one is my internet. I have not pressed anything. So okay, I don't know branch. Let's see if it will add up. Okay, I've added 1. It says you can add up to 3. Okay, so 1 is enough. I don't need 3. You may choose to add up to 3. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I added. Now I think I understand it very well. It means I can add up to 3 bank options. Okay, that's what it means. So I've added only 1. I like to use one particular account for my funding. Reason is for me to be able to articulate exactly what I'm doing. Now I think what I'll do is I'll come to my settings here, and I think my while I'm looking for that, you can see the bank details I added. Payment method, whatever, meaning I can add more here. I can add more, so you don't have to be typing bank details. So let me add bank transfer. Sorry, just a minute. Okay, I've added 3 banks now. So I have added like 2 Access and 1 FCMB. So if I come back to my order, I can get to see my order because I am selling at 571. So my order is somewhere around here. All right. So once they get, you can see the options are there. Bank transfer. Most people are using bank transfer. Why? Because it's easier to confirm. You can also use other outlets, Paystack and stuff like that. People can make payment. You'll be able to confirm them automatically. Now, as long as you can automate the whole process. It's all about confirming your payment and then releasing it. So here you can see somebody is selling 100. This is 590. 570. So 570. When they finish buying all those people, they're gonna buy my own. I'm not in a hurry to sell. It's good for that to be like 20,000. Okay, the amount is like 20,000. Okay, normally it's supposed to be like $30 should be like 15,000 or so. But with what I saw, where is my order? With what I saw, I should be getting 20,000 plus. So I'm done for the day. Okay, I'm done for the day. I've made my trades, I've made profits, and I'm good to go for the day. So you can see here, it shows my balance here at the top here. You can see my balance here, 185. So if I remove 35, I'm going to have 150 back. So till tomorrow, we'll trade again, make profit little by little. God bless you. See you in another video. Okay, my order has been picked. My order has been picked. It has shown my bank details, instructions, and then the person can get to pay. I like the way Binary updated it right now. Okay, they've updated it that you get to see the time it was placed, the rate, the amount you have to get. Now you can see the person has said he has paid, meaning he must have paid 20,367 or 68 naira. So all I need to do before I confirm that I've received payment is wait till I receive payment. It's either I receive SMS of confirming the payment, or you can see I've received credit alert from my bank. Okay, I've received credit alert of the same exact amount saying 20,367.57. So I've received the payment. All I need to do is to click on I have received the amount, the said amount, and I click on it, and our transaction ends. Okay, that is the end of our transaction. No more transaction. It's already done, dusted, and closed. Okay, I only wanted to show you this other part if it's going to load, but I think my internet is somehow slow. So it will show you that the conversation is closed. Why? We've already completed our transaction. So for this week, today is 7th. This is my first withdrawal, which is $35, and I'm good to go. Okay, for another week. God bless you. See you another time.